Oh, serious?
Hey guys, welcome back to Patmax Adventures, and right now it is currently snowing on Jeju Island. This is Korea's Hawaii. Check this out. Full on snowing, almost like a snowstorm. I'm covered in snow. It's snowing on Jeju Island. Some people don't believe that it snows here, but it's snowing. It's beautiful. I love it. This is crazy, guys. I was not expecting a snowstorm today. And it's kind of surreal here on Jeju Island. See these palm trees? It's like walking around and seeing palm trees covered in snow is definitely a bit different. I'm not used to seeing, so especially coming from California and Hawaii. Oh, I got a snowflake in my eye. I'm back in my apartment and I'm getting ready to go to our teacher dinner. Our principal's gonna be leaving, which is kind of sad. He's a really awesome guy. But check it out, it is still snowing out. It's not snowing as hard, but it's still snowing. I'm gonna make sure I have my winter jacket with me because earlier I was not prepared for that downfall of snow and I just had like a little sweater on. This time I will be ready. So I'm on my way to our teacher dinner and the snow has stopped for the moment, but there's a lot of dark clouds, so it's probably gonna start snowing again here pretty soon. But for right now, it's good. So yesterday was the last day of our semester. So what I do at the end of every semester is I try to get a photo with the entire class, and I've been doing this for the past 3 years. This way, I can remember all of my students and I can remember each class, and I can go back even like a couple of years down the line and be like, oh, I remember Chanhyun, or I remember Sunguk, and just remember all those good times. So when I leave Korea, I'll do a big montage of all my students and all my classes here in Korea. It's something very special I've done for myself, and I'm really glad that I've done it. So we're having our teacher dinner at Oli-Chung, which is a duck restaurant. We've been here before, and it should be pretty good.
You should just taste it, not drink.
And other one.
Yeah.
I like very easy games. Guess no skill.
So Heather, you'll start.
And the
Yeah. You'll start.
wait, the last bit.
The people around. Oh yeah, you're the one.
Oh, good job, Heather. Did he get it? Whoa, serious! Oh, we devoured it. Was it good?
It was good.
It was very good.
Very
Watch the side.
delicious.
Oh, we devoured it. Look at that.
Well, I didn't, but you did.
I did. Arrived at the bowling alley, and now we're picking out balls. I don't know what color ball do you think I am, Heather?
Go with your
Oh, yeah, purple. Intense game. All there. No pressure. I just got home from our teacher dinner, which was a lot of fun. The food was really good tonight. If you're coming to Korea as an English teacher, expect to be going to these dinners at least once or twice through the semester. It's a great time to let loose and have fun with your coworkers and get to know them. So thanks again for watching, guys, and remember, you only live once, so live to the max. Bye.